Hi guys, what's up? I think that is like the spot that I'm leaving my trampoline at. I just wanted everyone to know that's its new home. I just use it every day, so I'm like, I can't put it away. Like, I need it somewhere I can access it. My apartment's only so big, you know? Hello, what's up, and welcome back to my channel, Roam with Rach. My name's Rachel. Welcome. Fall it's in the air, guys, okay? I am ready to be cozy. I want to be in my apartment, the leaves falling out my window, the brisk autumn air, but it's warm inside. I'm sipping a tea. I'm sitting on my comfy new desk chair that I just ordered that's not here yet, coloring in my Bobby Goods coloring book. That's what I want. That's what I need. Earlier this year, I was climbing a volcano, and now I'm getting excited about coloring. The yin and yang of life. Am I right? But yes, fall is in the air. If you follow my channel, you know that I just did a huge closet clean out, and I've kind of been on the hunt to curate this wardrobe that feels so timeless, so good quality, and kind of like a capsule wardrobe vibe. I started in the summer with doing like a summer essentials video, and now I'm moving on to the fall, and I'm gonna try to do this for each season this upcoming year. I just want a nice capsule wardrobe. I wanna look at my closet, I wanna know everything in it, and I want it to be things that I love and I'm excited about to wear. I want them to fit me nice, I want them to be comfy, I want them to be good quality. I already said that. In today's video, I'm gonna be talking about just different things that I think are staples for fall wardrobes, and they're either things that I have already or things that I want to buy to elevate my own wardrobe so that I can look good and be ready for fall. Okay, the first thing, we're gonna start off obvious, jeans, okay? I think specifically everyone needs like a good pair of black jeans, a good pair of dark wash jeans, and a good pair of light wash jeans. I think there should be a variety in like rips or no rips. The older I get, the more I like jeans that don't have rips, but I'm not a full hater on ripped jeans. I just don't have as many ripped jeans as I do non-ripped jeans. You know what I mean? I've really been loving like a high-rise straight leg jean lately. I know everyone's kind of going low-rise. I'm not there yet. I do like baggy jeans though. I think those are really cute, and I think they're gonna be something that's useful for years to come. The thing about jeans is that jeans never go out of style if you buy like a really basic pair and not something that's super trendy and fatty right now. My favorite places to get jeans lately are Levi's. I just think Levi's just do something that make your butt look great, and Denim Forum. I think Denim Forum also has mastered the pocket placement to accentuate everything you want to accentuate, you know? My battery's dying. Okay, my next thing in terms of bottoms are like good dress pants. Obviously in the summer, I like more flowy, lightweight pants, but then in the fall, I'm looking for more like straight-legged pants that have a lot of good quality in the material. I recently got the Effortless pant from Aritzia, and I really like those. I like wearing them to work. You can dress that up with like, you know, a nice blouse. You can dress it down with like a t-shirt and chunky sneakers, but having just like good quality dress pants I think are really cute. I just really like a lot of neutrals, and I think they go with a lot, but obviously tailor this capsule wardrobe to whatever colors that you like to wear and that you feel good in. Another thing for bottoms that I kind of want to give a shot this year is to find a good quality like mini skirt. I really love seeing when girls wear like oversized sweaters with little mini skirts and then like tights underneath. Like, it looks so cute. Even like a crew neck, a big leather jacket, a mini skirt, little loafers. Like, I just think that is such a cute outfit formula, and something that I definitely want to try for like more casual fall outfits. So I think I'm going to try to find like a good quality black mini skirt. Let me know in the comments if you have one that you really like. I am really short, so I kind of have to be careful to not get one that's too long on me. The next thing I think is a basic for any fall wardrobe is just like sweatsuits. I think sweatsuits have been so elevated in recent years, especially, you know, most notably the Aritzia ones I think are adorable, like that oversized, effortless kind of look. I feel like we're always thinking when we buy clothes that we need to get like the best quality and look fancy all the time. Sometimes you just want to be comfy. And investing in good quality loungewear, I feel like will make you feel happier, because even when you're lounging, you'll still be cute, right? It's just like so elevated, so nice. Okay, for tops, obviously for the fall time, long sleeve tops are a go-to. The current one that I'm wearing is like the Babaton Contour bodysuit from Aritzia. I got it in this brown color because I think it looks nice on my skin, and it's got this nice square neck that I think is really flattering on a lot of body types. But just having any like long sleeve shirts, because you can not only layer them, but they can also be a piece in and of itself. That perfect transition piece where you're not gonna freeze, but you're also not gonna be too hot, right? I also think that mock necks are really cute. So like a long sleeve mock neck. When you have a mock neck, you can kind of wear it underneath other things and let that neck peek through. They still look very chic on their own. Like long sleeve shirts are great. I would recommend getting a white one, a black one, and then maybe one in a color that you think complements your skin tone. This can be worn so many different ways, you know, going out with friends, cute with jeans and heels, going to work, underneath something, like very versatile staple pieces that are great for your wardrobe. The next thing I think is really cute for fall is just chunky sweaters. An oversized cozy sweater just screams fall to me. Here are some examples of different ones that I really like in different styles. I really like this sweater from Aritzia. I think it's so cute and like so perfect for fall. So I've kind of been having my eye on that one lately, but I'm saving for my next trip. I'm trying to go traveling in the new year, guys. Another top that I think is a must-have for fall is just like an oversized crew neck. I'm a big fan of crew necks. Maybe it's like a sensory thing, but having a hood is just annoying to me. I like hoodies, and I think there's a time and place for hoodies like with a sweatsuit, but for days where I'm just like out and about and getting stuff done, I love having just a crew neck. They're really cozy. Any sort of oversized crew neck is going to be a great layering piece for fall. Feeling really comfy, looking really cute. I like them a lot. Another thing that's always going to be a fall staple is having good transition coats. I have a couple trench coats that I love and I've had for years. They are never ever going out of style, especially trench coats that like look like this. They're timeless. Again, getting them in neutral colors, colors that go with the clothes that you wear, leaving it open, I think is so nice for fall. And making sure that you're not getting something that's too heavy, that's more like a winter moment. A nice transition coat so that it'll keep you warm on those like chillier days, but also look really chic. Honorary mention to 2 other jackets. This will kind of depend on like your style for your capsule wardrobe, but I love a leather jacket. I'm currently on the hunt to find like a casual oversized leather jacket. I have one that's more snug, but I find I don't wear it as much. I'm going to try to experiment with my smaller, more tight fit leather jacket this fall. What I really love is the oversized leather jacket look. I'm gonna be keeping my eye out at thrift stores. I've actually been thrifting quite a bit for my fall kind of wardrobe, so stay tuned for like a fall thrift haul soon with my favorites. And then with that as well, denim jackets. Again, this is kind of going to depend on your personality and your fashion sense, whether you're more like a leather or a denim girl, but I think having both can be really advantageous for your wardrobe. Okay, last but not least, let's talk about shoes. What are those shoes that are like ballet flats with like the buckle over them? I almost want to say Mary Jane's, but I can't remember what they're called. I think these are something that's so cute, but also like so timeless. I know they're super trendy right now, but they're not trendy in the sense that, you know, if you wore them 3 years from now, people would be like, ew, what are you wearing? Versus like those Birkenstock clogs that are back in style right now. I think they're super cute, but they're back in style right now, right? If you wear those in 3 years, it might not be the vibe, right? I'm thinking longevity for my wardrobe, so I personally wouldn't buy any Birkenstock clogs right now, but I like how the ballet flats are just really timeless. They kind of add like a little bit of a dressy moment without being too much for your outfit. I really like my heel like sock boots that I have. I know sock boots are one of those things that they were trendy a couple of years ago, but I still think they look good now. I think it's really nice to have like an ankle boot, and then it's nice to have like a knee-high boot. Those both give a lot of options of versatility. Recently, I've been more drawn to like a pointed toe or like a square toe. I think those boots look really like, they just give cool girl energy. And then just like chunky running shoes. I think running shoes look so cute on like a casual day. Now that I'm dating a man who's very much obsessed with running shoes and sneakers, I feel like he's really elevated my sneaker wardrobe a bit, you know? I see the value in having like a really good quality sneaker, and I think it just adds a lot to a look. But yes, those are all my fall essentials. Let me know in the comments if there's anything that you think I missed, and happy shopping. Happy figuring out nice, amazing wardrobes that really feel authentic to you and are so versatile with so many things. That's how we should be spending our money on clothing, not just trendy pieces that are gonna come in and they're gonna go out. Yeah, that's everything for this video. If you liked it, please click the little button. That's a thumbs up, you know, it really helps me out. And if you like this video, consider subscribing to my channel. I make videos every single Sunday and they go up at 11 a.m. That's everything for this week and I will see you next week. Bye guys.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here